Aloha! Thanks for tuning in. This is Adele Brienne. I'm back with another week. This week's topic, vulnerability, once again. So, I did something recently in my business that I hadn't done in 15 years of being a business owner. And what I did is I scheduled a brand photo shoot. I coordinated some outfits that fit my new brand colors. I've been working with a brand strategist and doing a website redesign, and it was important that I had photos that represented where I'm at in my business now and that showcase who I am today and what I look like today and that are professional and that help tell the story of my brand and help showcase who I am and my personality and my gifts and my passions. And so it was really vulnerable for me to do a brand photo shoot. I recognize that it's probably vulnerable for you too. And so if you haven't done a brand photo shoot, I highly encourage you to think about it, to look up some photographers in your area that you like. You can go on Instagram and do like a hashtag search for like your local area plus photographer. So like Maui photographer or Maui brand photography, which might be one that I would look up here where I live, Maui. So I am very excited also to announce that if you live here in Maui, Hawaii, I am offering a new web package for website design or redesign. So if you already have an existing site, we can do a makeover that includes this. And I have partnered with an amazing photographer, Brittany Baker. She's here on Maui, local island girl. She's been here a long time, grew up here, and she's fantastic. I love her. She is so professional. She gets amazing photos. She can help you, give you tips and cues. She'll help pose you. For your brand photo shoot here on Maui, Hawaii, I can also be there at the photo shoot with you. I can sort of be the assistant. I can help guide you. I can help you pick outfits and just sort of help you calm yourself and just be an amazing presence so that your brand photo shoot goes amazing. So I'm so excited that for me, stepping into leadership first, I had to step through this sort of vulnerable portal of putting myself out there, right? And becoming more of the face of my own brand, Amazing and Helpful, and my LLC, Adele Brienne LLC, which is literally my name, so it makes sense I should be the face of my business. So I encourage you to schedule a brand photo shoot for your business if you haven't yet. There are so many amazing photographers in every region that there's really no excuse. You should be able to find someone you love. And there's, of course, a whole range of pricing, but there's so many photographers out there that you should be able to find someone that fits your budget. It's worth the investment. You're going to get a tax write-off for it. It can go part of your advertising costs. So I highly recommend that you take the leap, get vulnerable with me, get a brand photo shoot, get photos of yourself or your business or your product or your service, get them professionally done, professionally edited, and then use those on your website. Use them in your social media. Use them in your email marketing. Use them consistently to showcase to your clients how you present as a service provider or whatever it is that you're offering. All right? Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you're having a wonderful week, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Aloha.